how to post anonymously on Facebook groups in 2024. So that's quite simple and interesting. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, you will have to open the Facebook application. After that, you will have to go to the particular group that you want to post. I'll click on groups and then I'll open this group. Now all you will have to do is to click on write something, and now on the top you'll find an option to of post anonymously. All you'll have to do is to toggle this on. It says that anonymous posts published in the group do not include your name and profile photo, and click on got it. And whatever you'll post will be posted anonymously. It will not show your profile picture on your Facebook and your Facebook name. So that's how you can easily post anonymously on Facebook groups in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.